How do you know if a stock is actually worth buying? You see a company you like, the business is solid, but the stock price, is it a bargain or a trap? Today I'm breaking down the discounted cash flow model, or DCF. It's the gold standard for figuring out what a company is really worth. At its core, a DCF answers one question: what is the business worth today based on all the cash it will generate in the future? The key insight is that $1 today is worth more than $1 tomorrow. That's the time value of money. So we need to discount future cash flows back to present value. A DCF has three main ingredients. First, projected free cash flows. This is the cash a company generates after paying for operations and investments. Second, a discount rate. This reflects the risk of those future cash flows. A higher risk means a higher discount rate. Third, a terminal value. Since we can't project cash flows forever, we estimate what the business is worth at the end of our projection period. Add up the present value of all projected cash flows plus the present value of the terminal value, and you get the intrinsic value of the business. This gives you enterprise value. To get equity value, you subtract debt and add cash. Divide by shares outstanding to get intrinsic value per share. Now compare that to the stock price. If the intrinsic value is higher than the market price, the stock price might be undervalued. If it's lower, the stock price might be overvalued. Smart investors add a margin of safety. They only buy when the price is significantly below intrinsic value. Let's walk through a simplified example. Imagine a company with $5 billion in free cash flow this year. We project it grows 5% annually for 10 years. We use a 10% discount rate, and we assume it keeps generating cash indefinitely after that. Running the math, we get an intrinsic value around $70 billion. If there are 1 billion shares outstanding, that's $70 per share. If the stock trades at $55, it looks undervalued. If it trades at $90, it looks overvalued. But here's the thing. DCF is powerful, but it has major limitations. First, garbage in, garbage out. Your valuation is only as good as your assumptions. Second, small changes in the discount rate or growth rate can dramatically change the result. And third, it works best for stable cash generating businesses. It's harder to apply to early stage companies or those with unpredictable cash flows. So let's recap. DCF values a business based on future cash flows discounted to today. Compare intrinsic value to market price to spot opportunities. Always use a margin of safety, and remember your assumptions drive everything. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more just like it.